There's been many changes in the past school year, so today I asked staff members what they thought about the uniforms, calm classroom, and A-Day, B-Day schedule.
I think that they're okay. I think that they're going a lot better than anyone, expected. I think everyone was really worried last year when we heard about uniforms, but I think everyone looks great. I think it's fine.
I think uniforms have, it's a double-edged sword. I think they can create a lot of equilibrium, and they can get rid of a lot of socioeconomic status concerns with people being overly anxious about the clothing they're wearing, not matching up to their peers.
I like them. You guys look pretty snazzy, looking pretty sharp in them, and yeah, I like it.
But I'm personally not a very calm person, so it doesn't suit me, and it doesn't really suit the pace at which my classroom is set. So after calm classroom every morning, I'll usually put on some very loud, fast-paced, noisy rock music, and that'll kind of get us into the flow of the day and the rhythm that I want, because we hit the ground running.
I wish more of the students would buy into it, and at least try it out, because some of the students haven't yet.
I think Calm Classroom is a very nice tool, and I wish that, it was implemented in a way that everyone took it a little bit more seriously. It's a little tricky sometimes, but I personally always forget if it's A-Day or B-Day, but I think that it's okay.
I'm okay with it because it doesn't bother me. I will tell you, the last 2 years I was at Paxton School for Advanced Studies, and we had A-Day and B-Day.
So I'm still working on that and getting used to that. Last year we had the 45-minute schedule, so it's a little different too, but yeah.
Many staff members were okay with the new changes. What do you think? Bye!